Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying the readings and resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon so that you will be updated and notified as and when I bring readings. Today I feel we should go with the color white. I have no idea why I'm getting that feel, but I feel a lot of you need clarity in life, a lot of you need to understand how to start working towards your goals. So the color should be white, and also if you can donate some gingerly oil, at least a 1 liter of gingerly oil or the sesame oil, what we say, that to any of the temple. It will help you to come out of your obstacles and clear the barriers. Also, if you can add a little bit of coffee powder to your bath water today and have a bath, it will remove unwanted energies from your aura and help you to think and focus clearly. So let's see what is in the cards. What is the reading coming today? The first card is undeserving villains. Now that's a beautiful way to put it, but we will see what is it. And unorthodox approach. So both the cards maybe somewhere are related to what I said, that clarity is needed, but still we will see how the day is going to be and what it means by undeserving villains and unorthodox approach. Okay, so basically, the undeserving villains is basically that there is good and there is bad in this world. So we should not blindly believe things, and we should not ignore if there's any truth which is coming in front of us, just thinking that, no, maybe it is not the way I see it, maybe it is my own way of seeing things because of whatever has happened. No, sometimes the universe gives us clarity. The universe shows us what has to be done so that things are under our control. So even if you see the next card, sometimes is more related to this card, because it is saying don't go by your emotions, be practical and sensible. So whatever approach you want to take, if you see here, it's an image of an octopus, right? Octopus is adaptable, but at the same time it is unpredictable. So when you have decided certain things, be in that path and follow that path. Don't worry about whether people will take you the way you are or not, or will you be facing any resistance. It is not necessary for you to think all that. Just go with a powerful mind and decide and do what you want to do, and whatever you do will be in your favor and you will get the good results for it. So today the day is mainly telling you to not go by your emotions, and look at it from a practical point of view and handle your situations, get clarity over your situations, and take the right decision today. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.